Hey there, listeners. Welcome to episode 0 of Withum's exciting new podcast, Founded in Tech. On this podcast, I'll be talking to important figures from various emerging technology companies who are working on some really innovative products and ideas. My name is Mark Eckerle, and I'll be joined by guests from all different backgrounds and perspectives to discuss what they think brought success to their companies, the hurdles they faced along the way, any tips they can pass along to new entrepreneurs, and more. Additionally, I'll also be releasing various hot topic episodes as part of our Tech Tip series, where I'll be joined by professionals from Withum to break down some really key topics up and coming tech companies should be aware of. We'll go over why they are important to you or your company, the impact they could potentially have, and more. Each episode is going to have a lot of great takeaways, so if you're interested and want to hear more, be sure to follow or subscribe. I hope you enjoy.